Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use King C, Gillette Beard Thickener. First, make sure your beard is clean and completely dry. This ensures the product can properly adhere and work its magic. Dispense a small amount, typically 3 to 5 pumps, into your palm. Having clean hands is also important for an even and hygienic application. This simple preparation sets the stage for a great beard day. Once you have the product in your palm, gently rub your hands together. This warms the thickener slightly, making it easier to spread. Now, apply it evenly throughout your beard, working from the roots all the way to the tips. Pay special attention to any areas where you desire more volume or a fuller appearance. A thorough and even application is key to achieving the best results. After applying the thickener, use your favorite beard comb or brush to style your beard into your desired shape. This helps distribute the product further and sets your style. Give the product a few minutes to dry naturally. You'll notice the thickening effect as it settles. Remember, a little goes a long way, so avoid using too much to keep your beard feeling natural and not greasy. For the most consistent and noticeable results, incorporate the King C, Gillette Beard Thickener into your daily grooming routine. Pairing it with a comprehensive beard care regimen, including washing and conditioning, will further enhance your beard's overall health and appearance. Always store your product in a cool, dry place to maintain its effectiveness. Enjoy your fuller, more manageable beard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.